Wahl Home Pet 2 Indiana 1 Flea Medium Finishing Comb. Multi-use pet tool, our flea and finishing comb was designed to make detangling, smoothing, and finding fleas easy. Finishing comb attachment, our finishing and flea comb was designed to detangle and smooth the coats of your pet, make tedious grooming work easier. Flea comb attachment, use the flea comb attachment to help rid the skin, hair, or fur of fleas. No slip grip, ergonomic non-slip grip handle with soft touch grip is formed to the shape of your hand for maximum comfort and control. For well-being, starts with being well-groomed. Our pet clippers, trimmers, brushes and shampoos will help you care for and bond with your dog. The perfect brush to get all nasty mats out of your pet's fur. Pet Neat Slicker Brush gently removes loose hair and eliminates tangles, knots, dander, and trapped dirt. Works great on dogs and cats with all sizes and hair types. Get rid of mats without hurting her. The bristles are fine bent wires designed to penetrate deep into the coat and are really able to groom the undercoat well without scratching your pet's skin. Easy to clean. When you're done brushing your pet, simply click the button and the bristles retract back into the brush, making it super simple to remove all the hair from the brush, so it's ready for the next time use. Your pet will not only look good but feel great too. Our brush grooms and massages for a healthy coat, increasing blood circulation and leaves your pet's coat soft and shiny. Your pet will love being brushed. Comfortable, strong, and durable, our slicker brush is specially designed with a comfort grip and anti-slip handle, which prevents hand and wrist strain no matter how long you brush your pet. For bulk discounts you can choose following packaging information. 1 pack contains 1 pack of Wahl Home Pet 2 Indiana 1 Flea and Medium Finishing Comb. Price $5.99. 2 pack contains 2 pack of Wahl Home Pet 2 Indiana 1 Flea and Medium Finishing Comb. Price $11.49. 3 pack contains 3 pack of Wahl Home Pet 2 Indiana 1 Flea and Medium Finishing Comb. Price $16.99. 4 pack contains 4 pack of Wahl Home Pet 2 Indiana 1 Flea and Medium Finishing Comb. Price $22.49. 5 pack contains 5 pack of Wahl Home Pet 2 Indiana 1 Flea and Medium Finishing Comb. Price $27.99. Thanks for watching this video. Please visit https://lssonlinemart.com for more exclusive collections.